Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can upgrade your dance videos on CapCut PC by adding these really trendy effects. So go to effects here and you're just going to select video effects to hide the other effects just so you can find this easier. Select body effects, and here are the trending ones. There are a few that you can choose from. But actually, like this one, this doppelganger one, you can add to your videos to basically duplicate yourself. It does take a long time to load, so I'm just going to find some other effects like this one, for instance, electric radiation. It adds like a cool effect when you're dancing, and there's like other effects that follow your body movement as well, like these ones. I think just have a very hard time loading them because it does take a long time. There's like even like this dancer one that you can add, and you can like add more than one if you'd like to. Let's see, just like hover over it to like preview the video effect before you add them, just in case you didn't want to add it. Like this one I think is pretty cool, I guess. And you can change the color here to your liking. For instance, you want like a blue one instead, you can do that, and you can adjust the speed as well. It's not very visible though, so. And that is basically it. It is super simple actually. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.